Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to clear a very common confusion in Oracle Fusion Financials. The difference between a chart of account structure and a structure instance. Let's dive right in. Let's say I'm doing implementation for two countries and the client agreed to use the same structure for both the countries, USA and France. Both want the same segments. When it comes to natural accounts, USA wants to follow a different pattern. USA wants to follow a different pattern, and France want to follow a different pattern, which is different from USA. Let's say USA want to follow number one for assets, two for liabilities, three for equity, four for revenue, five for POX, and six for expenses. Whereas France want to follow 1 to 2 for assets, 3 for liabilities, 4 for equity, 5 for revenue, 6 for costs, and 7 for expenses. Now, here we can observe there is a change in the numbering for both the companies want to follow their GL accounts. USA want to follow different numbering and France also want to follow a different numbering for natural accounts. And we are going to maintain a different value set for both the countries. For both the countries, we are going to maintain a different value set. And in this case, we will have one structure and we are going to have two structure instances and we will give different value sets in each case. And in this way, we are maintaining one single structure and at instance level, we are giving their own GL accounts by creating two structure instances. Now, let's dive in and see what is the placeholder to create it. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, set up financials, search for the task called chart of accounts instance. One is chart of accounts structure instance. Now click on manage chart of accounts structure instances. Open this task, hit search. Now click on manage structure instances. Now search for our structure instance. So this is our structure instance. Click on pencil icon or edit button. Now at account level, select the record and click on pencil icon or edit button. Here for France country, you will maintain a different value set, and for US country, you are going to maintain a different value set. You will create a new structure instance for France country, and at accounts level, you will create a different value set and assign it over here. I hope this clears up the confusion. If you found this video, click on cancel, click on home. I hope this clears up the confusion. If you found this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.